It's here. I've got it. Get over here, quickly.
Easy with the winch, hold it steady.
We need this area clear now, move back.
Bring her down gentle now, easy.
Weight settling on the mount. Secured.
Good lift, foreman.
Keep coming straight back, nice and slow.
Hold it right there. Stop.
Train control, we are clear of the flatbed. Roger that, initiating rotation to the left. Watch your tag lines, maintain stabilization.
Look at the corrosion here on the code. Focusing here on the starboard side, near the access panel.
I've logged that. The stress fractures match the previous report.
The digital overlay confirms the structural weakness here.
But the original
The schematic shows a reinforced joint. We must account for that variance.
Easy on the descent, watch your clearance. Clear on this side.
Easy now, watch the starboard side. Copy that, lifting slowly. Vibration levels stabilizing nicely.
Confirmed. We are within tolerance.
Full descent at position 4, we need alignment check on the forward mounts. Roger, holding steady. Aft section is clear.
Red to red, blue to blue. Checked.
Check connection point J and 12.
Confirmed. Routing the blue bundle now.
This connection looks solid. The tolerances are perfect.
Agreed. We can proceed to the next stage.
Hold at the yellow line, clear left side. Copy that, moving slowly.
You have 5 feet to the door. All pre-flight checks are complete. Systems are green, over.
From forgotten wreckage to revered relic, this Apache represents an extraordinary legacy of dedication and ingenuity.